guys! Replacing an AC compressor is almost as simple as replacing any other accessory on your motor, like the alternator or power steering pump. The biggest difference is that before you remove the actual compressor, you have to remove the refrigerant lines connect to it. There should be two lines, a high pressure and a low pressure line. Before you can remove these lines, you first have to remove all the refrigerant from the system. The low pressure side of your system could be from 30 to 60 psi, and your high pressure side up to around 200 psi. With all that pressure in the system, simply removing the lines full of refrigerant at those pressures can be very dangerous. To remove the lines from your AC compressor, you should first have the system safely evacuated of refrigerant. Once the system is empty, removing the lines is as simple as removing a few bolts. With the lines off, you can move on to removing the compressor so you can replace it. Start by removing the belt connecting the AC compressor pulley to the crankshaft pulley. This may be done by releasing a belt tensioner or backing down on the adjusting screw for the AC compressor or its idler pulley. Once you have the belt off, removing the AC compressor is as simple as removing the mounting bolts holding it, the engine block or brackets. After you've got the new compressor bolted in, you can reinstall the belt and low and high pressure lines. When reinstalling the lines, you should consider installing new O-rings on the lines to make sure you have a good fit and no leaks. This is my first video ever. I am very excited and truly hope you'll find something here that resonates with you.